Ever wonder how snakes get it on? It's not as slithery simple as you think. When a female snake is ready to mate, she releases special chemicals called pheromones, which act like an invisible perfume trail leading males exactly where she wants them to go. Sometimes the males will fight over her, and the whole thing can get really tangled up. But once he wins her over, the male snake will use one of his 2 hemipenes to insert into her cloaca. And yes, snakes have 2 penises. They're called hemipenes. The mating can last for minutes or even hours, and the female will store the sperm until she's ready to lay eggs or give birth. Some species lay eggs, some give birth to live babies. Snakes may not kiss, but their love life is definitely wild. Want to know more about reptiles?